Come to the back. Here. You got it?
Yeah. Because when he sees that net, he is gonna want to leave. Let me get him up to the top.
Heading back into work. Last couple of hours here before I get to leave, get ready for the trip. Final touches. I got my trusty companion with me, Rocco. Hey Rocco, say hi. That is Rocco. I'm gonna go drop him off later after work. We'll see you soon.
Hi.
Oh, we're working now. Camera's on. I think it's going. Wow, this is cool. I'm excited.
Okay, so now we're recording. Oh, here we go.
I'm gonna go to Nick's, put all the stuff in the boat, and then grab gas and go. Yeah, that does not look good out there. And that's not even close to what it could be. No.
And this is actual dam. These ponds and stuff that you see down here, those are called the dredge cuts. And that's where they pulled all the dirt down there to build the dam. That may very well be what we end up doing, because it's not horrible out there, but it's going to be pretty rough. Power plant. And you can run your jet boat right to that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's the Missouri River that you're looking at there.
Okay. Should have some animations like Missouri River. Power plant. Colton says it's pretty.
So there's a little bridge and stuff, so you can drive from the river back up into the dredge cuts and fish them. There's northerns and walleye and shit.
That's what we're gonna be fishing.
It's kind of looking like today.
Dude, it looks nice down there.
I mean, there's no boats out here. There should be a lot of people out here salmon fishing.
So like Nick was saying, the winds out at Fort Peck, they usually come out of the west going towards the dam, and the waves can get crazy out there. But it looks like the wind is coming out of the east. Let's call him up. See what he says.
That is too, Nick.
Oh, that was Nick? Hey, we just passed you. Oh, okay, just meet at the hotel. Is this the Lake Ridge Hotel?
Yeah.
Oh, we're here.
We just talked to some people. They got out of here. They're like, we're going home.
Yeah.
They're 4 to 6 foot swells, like
I
just
know.
kicking their ass from about, well, that's them right there. From 6 o'clock this morning on, they're just exhausted, no bikes, just getting pounded out there.
Hey, Olive. How you doing?
Videotape it, back it up now. That way you're guiding yourself in the video. That'd be pretty good.
That would be good. Just hook on a GoPro on the back. Get your phone going, like, oh, okay, I can see now. Very cold. It's not freaking warm. Yeah, you can just fish right off of there, huh?
I tried a Senko, and if that's not working, we'll try a crankbait.
A green Senko? What do you got for it? What is it?
A green Senko.
Were to tell you where this spot is, my buddies would hang me out to dry. Be a dead man walking. Not bad, we just historically haven't caught as many fish in this zone as that upper spot where I caught that one. But it's honestly probably doesn't mean anything because it's all looks really good.
Yeah.
Like we've done a lot of casting for maybe one bite, so we might not be on. Okay.
I was wondering
Sure could. I haven't tried them in here, but I don't know why they wouldn't work.
I was about to try that. You want me to see if it works?
you can try it.
See what we got here. We've got silver and black on. TJ was trying Fire Tiger, so gold and black could try.
We haven't figured them out yet, so.
I would probably try this one just because it's going to cast farther first.
What you caught. Dad, why do we
Okay, Colt, I'm going to swing him towards the back of the boat. And you can do help with that net.
Let me see, let me see. Let me get it. Nope. I mean, depending on what it is here. Let's see.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Come to the back. Here. You got it? Yeah. Okay.
When he sees that net, he is gonna want to leave. Let me get him up to the top. Dude, look at this fish, Cole.
Woo!
Are you kidding me? That's big.
That is a massive fish.
Dude.
Woo! Colton, get in there. That is awesome. Yeah.